first you have to introduce yourself. من شمكا مالتاي مالتي. من شمكا.
What is your name?
Exactly. What is your name? من شمكي.
What is your name to a girl?
Correct. So, can you introduce yourself? من شمكي.
Ida.
Aida. من شمكا.
Azal.
Exactly. كويس هتنبك. Say hi بتغرينا.
Salam salam.
إيش؟
What's for like more than one? Like more.
ده عندكم
Dahan to whom?
كويس ودي. تلك
Dahan to whom?
ده عندكم. Aida.
Dahan to whom?
ده عندكم. Today's challenge is about
Numbers
numbers.
in Tigrinya.
Numbers in Tigrinya. Okay, this. You know numbers, yes?
Yes.
Can you count first?
Hada, Kota, Selesta, Arbata, Hamstra, Shidistra, Shoada, Shomanta, Tasha'ata, Asrata.
Good job! You did good job. Then, if you answer, you will take the candy. If you do not answer, you will take the water.
Or it goes to the other person.
Again, the question, I will start with Aida today because you have to participate, you have to answer, you have to get chance. I will give you first the question. If you answer it, you will take candy. If you do not answer it, you will be in the water. Yeah? Then, also I will ask Eza if he cannot answer it.
We both don't.
Exactly. Good kids. Now we have to start with
I don't.
Aida. Okay? First question, we'll go to Aida.
Yeah.
كلتا.
Zip. I mean it's two. Candy. I'm gonna choose.
Second question for Eza.
Okay, yes.
حمشتا.
Five.
Tick. كويس. ماشي. عايدة. أربعة.
Four.
Wow! Today is Lucas. Huh? Only duck will be in the water. Huh?
In the water too then.
ماشي. إزاي. سلسلة.
Three.
Oh. Fast. Easy peasy. Let me squeeze it.
Okay, good.
ماشي. عايدة. شدشتة.
Seven. Oh, six.
Okay.
You got two turns.
It's okay. Okay. إزائل تسعة.
Nine. Ida.
I do not ask, Aida.
Okay.
That's not your. You have to change the number.
Yeah.
Okay, شوعة.
Wait, for me or her?
نعم.
Wait, what's the number?
شوعة.
That's six.
Other chance.
Is that eight?
Give me city, honey.
Okay, so water.
Aida. شوعة.
Seven.
Oh,
Wait, it's seven?
87. شوعة is
Oh,
7.
like chocolate.
Okay. إزائل شدشتة.
Seven. I mean six.
6.
I got one.
Yeah.
Candy?
Okay. Aida, شومنتا.
8.
Wow. كوبس Aida. Okay. إيه زي 10.
10.
Okay, Aida 9.
9.
كوبس
Pick one.
كوبس Aida. You know all the numbers.
I got 6 candies.
Okay, good job.
I'm gonna save them.
Yeah, sure.
Especially for me.
Okay.
And I'm gonna give some of them to Aki and some of them for me.
Oh, okay.
If I get this one, I'm gonna be so happy.
I thought our question is about to finish.
Okay, what's my turn?
كلتا.
2. Oh no!
Salam
Aki.
سلام علتي.
Aki.
Thank you زمدك. Go بزاف. Ciao.